Hey guys, welcome back. This will be your Algebra 1 test review. So on this, I also want to show you guys to make sure that we remember you're allowed to use your Desmos calculator, okay? So you go to desmos.com, you go to Math Tools, and you go to Graphing Calculator. Now this has everything in it that you need. You click right here, the little keyboard, and now you can use your mouse to click on anything that you need to. So I'm going to look at our very first problem on the review. X plus 2/3 equals 5/6. So this one's a very basic problem. I'm hoping we already know how to do this. I'm going to subtract 2/3 from each side because I need to get the X by itself. On the left-hand side, you're left with just X. On the right-hand side, I need to know what 5/6 minus 2/3 is. This is why I'm going to allow you to use your Desmos. Later on in the year, you'll be better at fractions, but now you're going to put in 5. You have to hit divided by to have the fraction part show up. Remember, a fraction division is the same as a fraction bar. Now I have to subtract, but notice I want to have the subtraction of the whole fraction. You need to, watch my hand, you have to click to the right, okay? So now we click to the right, and now I can hit minus, okay? And now I have to put in my 2/3. So you have a decimal here, but remember, if you have fractions in your problem, you won't have fractions in your answer. When you take an error test, you won't have this option, but this little key right here, see how it's a box over a box? If you click that, it will give you your fractional answer. So now I know my answer is 1/6. Okay, you might need to go back and watch it again a couple times. It's just, you go to desmos.com, and then you can type in here. This keyboard pops up all your utility functions. This is really all you'll need for the test. And then here's where you put in your problems, and then you can click this to go between decimal and or fraction, okay? Now, let's just keep continuing on. So this one, W minus 8 equals 12, all right? Well, I know I'm going to have to add 8 to both sides to undo minus 8. And again, these one-step equations, I'm hoping we're pretty good with. We've been doing these for a while. W is 20. Remember, you can always plug it back in to check it, but I'm not looking for your check, I'm looking for your work. So now I have 6m equals negative 72. 6 times m, so I need to undo that by dividing both sides by 6. Those 6's cancel. I'm left with m equals negative 12. The final one in this section, n divided by 3 equals 15. In order to get n by itself, I'm going to have to multiply both sides by 3. Divided by times 3 cancels out. I'm left with n equals 45. Okay? That concludes 1 through 4. Keep going on. The next ones go to the next section, so we will continue.